Hello friends, today we are going to see future stocks for India digitalization. We mainly depends on data centers and broadband internet service providers and telecom providers. And the core of these three sectors is optical fiber, which is manufactured by Indian top companies like Sterling, HFCL, Akash Opticals, Finolex, Birla Cables. These are the top players in India which manufactures optical fibers and spreads their wings to globally and India itself. And friends, optical fibers which is used for data exchange through light. With this, the data will transfer for long distance with less time. Previously, data transmission and voice call transmissions done through copper cables. Still some companies existing with this, and in 2021 it will move to optical fiber, and this is main plus for these manufacturing companies. And the data travels very slow due to this copper cables due to its electromagnetic effect. Some signal amplifiers and signal boosters can be used to boost the speed of the data. So friends, to avoid these disadvantages, optical fibers plays a key role to replace copper cables, and the top manufacturers of copper cables are Sterling Technologies, which is an industry leading integrator of digital networks, and with core capabilities in optical interconnect, virtualization, access solution, network software and system integration. It is industry end-to-end solution provider for global digital network, and it partnered with global telecom companies, cloud companies, citizen networks and large enterprises to deliver solutions, and its offices in 16 countries and serving for 100 plus countries with 3100 employees. And friends, next HFCL, which is also a top player in India on manufacturing of optical fiber cable manufacturers, and it provides optical fiber cables, optical transport, power electronics and broadband equipment for the telecoms, and it serves both in India and global. HFCL is joint venture with Canadian enterprise Dragon Wave. Besides India, it exports to UK, Eastern European, Africa, Middle East as well as South and Southeast Asia. Friends, during lockdown time, so many broadband services taken, which shown in Hathway cables, JTPL cables as a result. So friends, these quarterly results for these Sterling and HFCL and Akash Opticals, Finolex, Birla Cables, I am thinking few of these companies will play a major role in this COVID time. And the major services for optical fiber was telecom and IT sector, and next government sector. In government sector also the digitalization happening by Narendra Modi sir. So friends, this is my update on latest stocks on digital India. Thank you friends. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Share.